Hey, don't panic. This is not a robbery. Can I ask you a hypothetical question?
Yeah.
Okay, let's say this charming American walked up to you and said he wanted to spend the day with you. Like, go have nice champagne, walk on the beach, look at the stars maybe at night. What would you say?
I'd say maybe.
Maybe?
He has to convince me.
He has to convince you.
Yeah.
Nice, fair enough. I mean, it's just a hypothetical question.
Right.
I'm not talking about me, of course.
Okay.
But you are absolutely gorgeous.
Oh, thank you.
You have very beautiful eyes.
Thank you.
I'm sure you get that a lot. But what are you up to right now?
I'm just waiting for a friend to come down.
Okay. Yeah, you should totally cancel on your friend. Tell your friend I met this charming American. You seem American too.
I am, yeah.
By the way. Ah, okay. Where from?
Utah.
Utah. Oh no, Utah girls are trouble.
I have heard that. That's a reputation.
It is a reputation, I think. You're not the trouble type, are you?
I don't.
We would behave, right?
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Good.
Yes.
Good. Pinky swear.
Pinky swear.
All right. Well, you seem cool. You have a good energy. You should postpone on your friend for a couple minutes.
Couple minutes?
A couple minutes could turn into a few hours. You never know.
That's true. Yeah. Okay.
I realize I don't even know your name.
Oh yeah. I'm Danny.
Danny, Matt.
Matt.
Nice to meet you, Danny. What do you say?
Okay. All right. Let's do it.
One drink.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll go from there.
Great.
Yeah? All right. Let's go. I know this good place downtown.